Yo, what's up, guys? Happy Thursday today. So today we're gonna be eating Mr. Yu Chinese food. Let's look at it. There we go. I got the chow mein. I got chow mein, chicken, orange chicken, and rice. So let's see what's up. Really big. I got the fork already, so let's check it out. If I had to choose between Mr. Yu and Panda Express, I think I'd rather go with Mr. Yu. What do you guys think? Drop a comment below and tell me what you guys prefer, Mr. Yu or Panda Express. You guys have some soy sauce to it? Here we go, nothing. Yes, sir. Let's test it. Bomb.